Hey Gary, what are you working on there, bud? Well, no. It's a fucking catch space there, bud. It's a fucking... Yeah, buddy. Hey, Mike, show off that designer shovel of yours. Mike's custom made, the designer shovel. You can buy one for yourself, $49.95. This fucking piece of shit don't fucking zoom. So hey, you gonna give us a demonstration on how to install a fucking catch basin? You see, fellas? Those frames can end up on there. Two more, Mike. Two more. Lots of fucking around going on over there, buddy. Yeah, Gary.
Packing.
Hey Mike, so what do we use that for, bud?
It's heavy.
Cause it's heavy.
It's like a hook.
Mike's lazy ass don't lift that shit.